This is Unit 1, Lesson 10, and this is Activity 10.2, Triangle plus 1. So what you're going to do is form a figure, compose a figure out of a triangle plus one more point. You're going to do that by rotating sides 180 degrees. So the first thing you have to do is find the midpoint between A and C, because that midpoint is going to be the center of rotation. So I just used Doceri. I drew a line segment, and as I got closer to the line segment AC, it snapped to the midpoint. Nice things about Doceri. So there's the midpoint. We'll call that M. And B is going to rotate 180 degrees around M, so B is going to end up on the other side, an equal distance from M. So remember that a 180 degree rotation, you can connect the corresponding points. They lie on a line, and the midpoint is going to be, or the center of rotation is going to be the midpoint. So B prime is going to end up here, and we're going to relabel that point D when we get there. Oh, there it is right there. And so triangle ABC rotated 180 degrees and formed triangle ADC. And so B rotated to D, and A actually rotated to C. So rotate line segment AB 180 degrees to CD. So AB right here rotates 180 degrees, and it ends up as CD. And that is one of the points behind these activities, is to see that whenever you rotate a line segment 180 degrees, you always end up with a line segment that's parallel to the original line segment. So CD is parallel to AB. And rotate BC, this line segment right here, 180 degrees. Where is it going to end up? It's going to end up as DA. So it's going to rotate around and end up as DA. So it's parallel and equal. Well, what kind of shape do you form? This is composing a figure that is called when you have two pairs of sides that are parallel to each other, it is called a parallelogram. So that's a parallelogram. So one last thing, let me just show you the rotation of this line segment AB. So AB is right here. I'm going to show you that rotation. So what I did for A, I marked the point that's 1/4 of the way around a circle, 1/2 of the way, 3/4 of the way, and then the whole way, the 180 degree rotation is going to go to C. And for B, I marked a point that's 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and then the 180 degree rotation is going to take B to D. They're going to move together. They are connected. They are rotating together. So each one rotates 1/4 of the way. So there's the line segment rotated 1/4 of the way. It has to move together. Each each point rotates half the way, so this line segment is going to rotate half the way. Each point rotates 3/4 of the way, so that line segment has to rotate 3/4 of the way. And notice where B is going to end up. B is going to end up at D, and A is going to end up at C. And an important point is that this line segment CD is parallel to AB. All right, so you form a parallelogram, creating two pairs of parallel sides.